Take a picture of our future, pumping poison on the ocean floor. Spread destruction across the islands, with every wave pushing more and more. Walk the beaches and say it's nothing. Buy some silence and close the door. The hearts of birds are made of china, and when they fly, they're all alone on silver wings of faith to guide them until it's time for flying home. Something happened at the plant now, venting poison into the sky. Rumor has it we have a meltdown, with radiation spreading far and wide. Someone says we need the truth now. Someone else is saying it's a lie. The hearts of birds are made of china, and when they fly, they're all alone on silver wings of faith to guide them until it's time for flying home. We will wake up to the madness, if not now, then very soon, without a sound along the shoreline. We will face a blackened moon. We have hearts that are made of china. When we fly, we're all alone. We pray the hand of faith to guide us until the day that we go home. Till the day that we go home.